Hello, good morning. My name is Juan Carlos Mendez, the industrial engineer student. I belong to group 212,053 under COP 6. What is it Airbnb? These are fragments of the case that explain what is Airbnb. Belong any word. The belonging concept appears in towns in mid-speeding time which the person how live in the space you rent. In the few times and you use Airbnb, I haven't met or seen my host and in one, two I mailing waiting to save money. Belonging in the Airbnb rebrand context then have to about the cookies which the person was place you're studying in. It was much broader in mid-winter in the time you might not otherwise able to see. Studying the place you were normally able to book in short. Below a new world. Describe the case problem. The main problem for Airbnb was to stop the thinking about a digital platform because sometimes more human. Cause of the case describe. People not trust each other. So based in the place for any person alone, or with his family, was to district of the hotel, belonging food, now the sector where it is located. Consequence of the case described. Aldi leads to of change of logo inappropriate to the company, which the expect a superior welcome but in short a new way of seating. The world of accommodation generating and culture in travel that with thinking of booking or stay in any place we say the word Airbnb. As conclusion, we will talk about the problem of Airbnb or from perception, the obtained and transformation they give them a profit that they never expect. To the intuitive very suffers I love company worldwide. Thank you very much. Bye.